We're excited that you're joining us at 2021 AACC. As you already know, all meeting attendees must be vaccinated and have received a negative PCR or antigen COVID-19 test within 3 days of arriving at the convention center. To make the testing requirement as convenient as possible, AACC, through a generous sponsorship from LumiraDx, is providing an on-site mobile unit outside the convention center main doors, where attendees can obtain a free COVID-19 test on a first-come, first-served basis. Results will take 30 minutes from sample collection. You can, of course, avoid the necessity of fitting testing into your app conference schedule by securing a test before you leave for Atlanta, as long as it falls within the 3-day window. We are also working to provide attendees with self-test packets provided by Quidel to provide peace of mind while at the conference and as you prepare to return home. We look forward to seeing you on the AACC campus.